Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how I installed these Govee LED strip lights under cabinet lights under my shop cabinets. I added some trim in the front and then put the lights behind and have them tied in with the same circuit as the rest of my shop lights. So when I turn it on, they come on. So now I'll show you how I did it. Alright. So what I want to do under my cabinets is I want to put an LED strip light, and that will shine down on my workbench a little bit more. I've got a pretty bright garage, but you know, you can never have too much light, so it should be fun. Anyway, I've pre-wired the garage for this so that when I turn on my lights that these will come on as well. Alright, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this aluminum piece of trim, and it's 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, and it's like an angle iron. Okay, and we're going to put that up here, and then we'll put the LED strip behind it. So this is just going to protect the LED strip and just give it a little more decoration, okay, to match the handles and stuff. Just, you know, I want my garage to look good too. I know, it's crazy. To hold this up, I'm going to use number 6 by 5/8 screws, and these ones are small enough that they won't go through this bottom. They won't protrude through. Alright, the drill bit I'm using is 5/32. So I've got this small wire brush here. I'm going to use this as my gauge for how far back this is. So I want it to sit flush basically with this. After I set it with my gauge, then I'm going to screw it into place. The tape is going to come up through here. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole for it to come through. Alright, so what I'm going to use here is some mineral spirits. I'm going to wipe this down, and that way it'll be as good as possible for the double-sided tape to stick. So let's start right on the end here. And we're going to tape that guy up. And we're going to slowly press these in. Alright, so I've installed my LED strips, and as you can see behind me, it's not very bright. This is on the brightest white. Now, this particular light strip, this is the Govee RGB LED light strip, and this one is 18 watts. So I've used this under cabinets at my old place, a different brand, and I was very happy with the results. I've used them on my staircase, a different brand, once again, very happy with the results. This one, not so much. This isn't nearly bright enough. It's got a lot of great features. You can scroll through colors and do things like that. And it's got a lot of color control, and you can adjust how bright it is, but it just isn't bright enough for this type of application. So I would steer clear of the Govee for this, but if you wanted some nice accent mood lighting, good stuff that way. It works really nicely for that. But I'm not putting in mood lighting in my shop. I just want bright lights so I can use it so it's easier to work. So anyway, you can kind of see up at the top here, you can see the reflection of my hand. If I was to, I'll put it on flash so you can see the difference. It's pretty subtle. So you see the difference? It's very subtle. It's not bright enough. I really wanted a much stronger one. So 18 volts or 18 watts just wasn't strong enough. Yeah, I probably should have looked into that, so that's partially my fault. All the other products that I've bought in the past have been fantastic, so I was a little surprised that this one just, it wasn't strong enough. Anyway, that's it. That's what I've done. I'll probably have to replace this with a different brand. But anyway, that's how I installed it, and thanks for watching.